Hey everybody, Matt here for Leighton Sports Cards, ripping our on-the-fly 2022 Panini Immaculate Baseball Hobby, random division style. There's another look at those random results. 5 more on-the-flies to fill up, and Lane's going to be hooking me up with some Grubhub. All right, here we go. Let's see some big hits. Yeah, IMAC's been nice. We've only done a few boxes on the channel here so far, but I really like ripping IMAC. I opened up a new case, so these 2 boxes. I don't know, maybe we can do 4 of them, do a whole case today. First up, that's NL East, rookie patch to 25, Luke Williams. Go NL East. AL East, rookie patch to 25, Josh Lowe. AL East. I'll put up another on the fly iMac here in a little while. Yeah, we do have a Topps Chrome divisions with 3 spots left. This is NL West, rookie patch iBlack auto to 10, Colton Welker. You go NL West. What's up, Hoggy? That is NL Central, rookie patch auto to 28, Alejo Lopez. You go NL Central. Not much, man. Just doing some on-the-fly breaks and some personals today. AL West. Whew. AL West. That's rookie patch. That's logo patch auto to 99, AJ Alexi. Nice patch on that. Got a banger coming up here. This is going to Brandon S. in the NL Central. That is rookie triple patch acetate auto to 49, O'Neal Cruz. There you go, NL Central. Brandon S. Congrats. All right, good stuff. Mag that one, and then we'll move on to box 2. Another look at that. Awesome hit for the NL Central. All right, here we go. This is NL Central, 6 of 6. Hat relic, Dylan Carlson with the hat eyelet. You go NL Central. This is AL East, bat relic to 49, Bobby Mercer. 39 of 49. NL Central auto to 25, Frank Schwindel. There you go, NL Central. And AL East, that is rookie button patch auto 3 of 10, Connor Wong. There you go, Patrick. Nice Connor Wong, rookie button auto. You pulled a Pete Rose from iMac? Nice. This is NL West. That is rookie tag eye black auto to 6, Andre Jackson. NL West, Michael D. There you go, nice hit. Nice looking card anyway. And AL Central, that is Bat Relic Auto, 23 of 25, Ivan Rodriguez. There you go, AL Central, Rory B. Nice pudge. Try at 130 here first. Yeah, that goes in. All right. Nice couple boxes here. We had AL Central, Bat Relic Auto to 25, Ivan Rodriguez. NL West, that's rookie tag eye black auto to 6, Andre Jackson. AL East, rookie button auto 3 of 10, Connor Wong. NL Central, auto to 25, Frank Schwindel. AL East, Bat Relic to 49, Bobby Mercer. NL Central, Hat Eyelet Relic, 6 of 6, Dylan Carlson. We had AL West, rookie logo patch auto to 99, AJ Alexi. NL Central, rookie patch auto to 28, Alejo Lopez. NL West, that's rookie patch eye black auto to 10, Colton Welker. AL East, rookie patch 25, Josh Lowe. NL East, rookie patch to 25, Luke Williams. And the hit of the break, NL Central, that's acetate, rookie triple patch auto to 49, O'Neal Cruz. Good stuff. That'll do it for the break. Thank you, everybody. Appreciate it. More personals are coming up next.